I stand here again at the shores of your love. I want to know more, want your kingdom to come. But I'm stepping on stones, and I'm scared to my bones. I charted a course, but the river's too wide. I found a safe path, but it's gone with the tide. So it's time to wade in, let your healing begin. Now I'm letting go, I'm diving in. Your currents will take me and carry me safely. I've no need to swim. Flow, river, flow. Your kingdom come. I know you're beside me. Your waters will guide me. Your will be done. And we sing flow, river, flow, river, flow, river, flow, river, flow. Flow, river, flow, river, flow, river, flow, river, flow. I'll ride the cascade from the source of your love. Your current of grace will carry me on. Won't be easy, I know, but my breathing will slow. You chart the course, Jesus, you be our guide, and we'll build up your church on that scarier side. It's time to wade in, let your healing begin. Now I'm letting go, I'm diving in. Your currents will take me and carry me safely. I've no need to swim. Flow, river, flow.